Help support the companies that support our community. I got this blank from Zac Higgins at NV Woodworks. He brought it to the AAW show, and I was going to turn the lidded box there, but we ran out of time. I did get the tenon on each end of it, so what I'm going to do is put it in the chuck, part off about a third of it for the lid, and then run through the whole process of making a lidded box. The blank is made out of alumilite, and he cast aluminum honeycomb in it. It's super cool. So what I'm going to do is do each piece. As I'm going, I'm going to wet sand with just regular water from 180 up to 800, and then switch to the micro mesh and go all the way up to 12,000. There we go. It's 4 inches tall and 3 inches in diameter, and I didn't hit it on the buffing wheel yet because we have the mobile shop loaded up again and we're headed to Zac's shop. He lives just south of Reno, Nevada, so we're going to be down there. We're going to do a collab with him, and I'm going to have him show me how to just get that gorgeous gloss finish on the alumilite. If you want to learn anything about resin casting, I'll put a link down below in the description to his channel. He also streams twice a week on Twitch. You should go check it out. He even put some pearl in there. It's so cool. Really cool. And a quick tip, when I was wet sanding everything, I just sand with regular tap water, but if you don't have stainless steel ways like the Robust, make sure you get that dry. You don't want to come out the next day and have your lathe bed rusted. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, if you please share and like, I would really appreciate it. It helps out a lot. Alright, till next week, take care.